name is Kriста. I'm a NATO video journalist, and today I'm taking a flight in the L-39 Albatross. Amory Air Base here in Estonia hosts part of the NATO Baltic Air Policing mission, in which allied countries send fighter jets to help other allies guard their airspace. They scramble regularly to intercept unidentified aircraft, keeping the alliance's skies safe. So I just came out of the medical check, and it seems like I'm a very healthy person and nothing's wrong with me, and we're ready to go. After finishing the medical, I picked up a flight suit and a helmet, and then met up with my pilot Otto. How am I feeling? I'm not nervous anymore. I'm very, very excited. Today I'm part of Estonian Air Force. A professional pilot? Not a pilot, no.
What can she expect up there?
Everything cool. What will only happen? All the other aircraft, some awesome maneuvers. Just enjoy it. I can actually barely hear anything in this one. That's really good.
That's good.
Okay. Our role in this training is as a target aircraft in an air interception. The Italian F-35s will hunt us down.
No, just a funny feeling inside. Okay. So right now, what we're seeing is interceptions here with the Italian F-35. You have two of them here on the left side. Thank you for the information. Yeah.
Well, hello.
Hello.
You look tired.
Yeah.
You need a moment. How was that?
Absolutely amazing. And I have a gift for whoever wants it. It's in here.
Then take your left one here, and you can see the line in here.
It was the most fun thing I've ever done in my life, and I do hope that one day I get to do this again. It's a tough job, I get it now, and I take my hat off to all the pilots involved in the NATO's Baltic Air Policing mission. It's tough. I'm so tired.